I'm back, and I just wanted to go over what I want to go over. Adding another mesh to another mesh, which makes life more complicated, but so what? That's fun. So, adding a mesh. You can open a subtool, which is over here. Oh, it's already open. Here, let's look at it when it's closed. Boom. Come on. It's closed. And I got all these other things to do, but you know, it's a lot of stuff. So just look at the subtool. Open that up, and then scroll down, and append is what I've tended to find to work. Append, and you get a selection of stuff. So there's a polysphere, which is going to be the same kind of thing I've got right there. And like things, when you go into sculpt on them, will act different, the same. But let's try this guy here, this sphere 3D. So I do that, and now when it puts it in, it kind of overlaps it. And also, at this point, there's two things here. This is selected or this is selected. There's my new thing, and they're kind of separated right now. So I can click on that, and now the cylinder is selected, and I can use the move to kind of move it out of the way, or move it out. Let's go down that way. And then I can scale it even. So say if I was working on a head, and I wanted sort of a neck kind of thing going on, stretch it out a little bit, you know, add it to a part, even a torso. Once I got what I want, and the other thing, once I get that, I can use what's called live boolean. Boolean? I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. So now we're in live up here. Click on, so it's highlighted, live boolean. Just means joining, I believe. It's fancy. It probably means the skins and the meshes get together nicely, as opposed to just being slapped together. So I've got that selected. You can also bring in, I can go in here to import, spin, 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 and click on something. This I was working on in Sculptress before I lost it. And it'll pop right in here. So now I've got, scroll this back up. Where'd it go? Where'd my cylinder go? Oh, I didn't add the cylinder in. Well, we'll just play with this one. So I can move that guy to where I wanted him to be. You know. Oops, or I could flatten it out completely. So you can bring in other things and add them in. If I say I decided, you know, I really don't want to work with that, I can scroll down here. So that's highlighted right now, which is why I can affect it. And I go delete. And then it asks me, you sure? Yeah. Get rid of it. So let's go back to our cylinder, which I think was going to be more what maybe you guys are going to be doing. Append, A-P-P-E-N, cylinder, highlight cylinder, move, change the shape of it. You know, that's kind of fun. The center, wherever. Anyway, whatever this thing is. Keep catching around. There we go. Anyhow, so I want those to go together. A head and neck kind of thing, or a foot. I don't know. So what was I going to do? Oh, live boolean. And then so we're gonna, once we've got it where we want it to be, you were going to go down and select live boolean, which is down, or boolean. Oh, come on. I have trouble with. It hates me. It just hates me. That's all there is to it. Boolean, way down here. Boolean. And then, stop it. Okay, boolean. Then that drops down. So if it's not, it'd be like that. Okay, and then hit make boolean mesh. So give it a second, and then once it's there, and you're like, oh, it's all together, and no. Well, kinda. You got this thing hanging out here. It's in the way. But what we can do, even simpler, Maybe not for me because my cursor hates this. No. Up here, all of a sudden you see you have a thing that's popped up. Everything you've added and you keep showing up here is, it refers to them as tools. But I can even double click on that and it shit's already selected. So now I've got, now this thing is joined together. And then, let me move this for. My brush, you make sure we're in draw. And just turn line boolean off so we don't have to think about it. I can now kind of go and make that larger. It joins together. Now, if this was a more simpler form, make it shift and smooth, shift and smooth. You can see where it's a little bit, they're different meshes. In other programs, I've used remesh. When I hit remesh in this, it just crashes. It shuts the program off. And so I think there's something, either my computer can't handle it. But anyway, you sculpt right onto it. So it's adding something else to your object. Don't forget to save. Again, there's quick save, save as under file, and also because we want to save it for something we can share after we lose the program, after the 30 days, export it. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.